You use it every single day. But have you ever wondered about the high-tech world behind this simple sheet?
From massive 3-ton jumbo reels to extreme heat and precision robotics, the process is absolutely mind-blowing.
Today, we're taking you inside the secret factory to see exactly how your favorite tissue paper is made. Let's dive in.
Every year, millions of tons of discarded paper are given a second life. It all starts here, in the heart of the recycling hub.
Sorted and cleaned, the raw material begins its ascent into the world of high-tech automation. Centrifugal forces work at high speeds to strip away every impurity, leaving only the cleanest fibers behind. Eco-safe agents are added, transforming the recycled pulp into a brilliant, snowy white base. Through a delicate flotation process, even the smallest ink particles are lifted away and removed. Mechanical refiners prepare the fibers, ensuring the final product will be both strong and incredibly soft. The fiber is now ready, a delicate blend of 99% water, poised to become a solid sheet.
Gravity and high-speed vibrations work in harmony to drain the water and align the fibers into a perfect web.
In an instant, the liquid transformation is complete. The first solid sheet of paper is born.
Extreme pressure and intense heat take over, crushing out the remaining moisture to solidify the bond. Meet the giant of the factory, the Yankee dryer, a massive steam-heated drum that dries the sheet in a split second.
A specialized mist is applied, a secret blend that ensures perfect adhesion and signature softness.
Blasted with scorching air, the paper dries at lightning speed, locking in its absorbent structure. The doctor blade strikes, creating millions of microfolds that give our paper its legendary softness and stretch. Now light as air, the delicate sheet floats across the hall, moving toward its final transformation.
Precision rollers smooth out the surface, ensuring a silky touch and consistent thickness throughout. Every inch is scanned by digital eyes, monitoring quality in real time to meet global standards. The master reel grows, holding over 8 kilometers of premium paper, ready for the world. One stage ends, another begins. The jumbo rolls move out, ready to be shaped for your home.
The journey continues as 2 massive master reels join forces to create the perfect multi-layered bond.
2 layers become one. A microscopic touch of organic adhesive binds the plies together with unbreakable strength. Precision embossing rollers stamp the signature quilted pattern, trapping air for ultimate softness and absorbency.
In a parallel dance, recycled cardboard is spun into strong, spiral-wound cores, the sturdy heart of every roll.
Clean, precise cuts. These 2-meter logs are now ready to meet the flying sheets of paper. Every sheet is marked for your convenience. Ultra-precise perforations for a clean, effortless tear every time.
The final seal. A gentle touch of adhesive ensures the roll stays perfectly intact until it reaches your hands.
The logs are ready. Next, they face the high-speed saws for their final, familiar shape.
Please subscribe our channel for more informative videos.
Surgical precision. The orbital saw slices through the log, creating the familiar rolls we use every day. At this speed, human hands can't keep up. Advanced robotics take over, organizing thousands of rolls every minute. Next, they meet their final armor, high-speed wrapping that prepares them for their journey to homes around the world.
To keep the product pure and hygienic, a high-strength protective film is applied at incredible speeds.
Heat-sealing bars create an airtight bond, locking in freshness and protecting the paper from any external elements.
Precision heat-sealing bars create an unbreakable, airtight bond, locking in hygiene and protecting the soft fibers from the outside world. The journey continues upwards. These finished packs are now elevated, joining a massive stream ready for global distribution. Strength meets intelligence. Heavy-duty robotics take over the lifting, stacking pallets with a level of precision no human could ever match. From a single recycled fiber to a household essential, the journey is complete, and a new cycle of comfort begins for millions.
Start your day with the ultimate touch of softness. Pure, gentle, and designed for your comfort. Wherever life takes you, take the comfort of home along for the ride.
Engineered for the unexpected. High-speed absorption when you need it most.
Safe for the most sensitive skin. Because pure care should be as soft as a mother's touch.
From the office to the home, utility meets quality in every single sheet.
Quality you can feel, strength you can trust, the perfect roll for every home.
Naturally degradable. A product that respects the earth as much as it cares for you.